Welcome to today's video. Going keto? Wondering what vegetables you can eat on the ketogenic diet? Watch to learn how to enjoy 10 keto vegetables on a low-carb diet, without going over your carb limit. A well-designed keto diet in a sustainable eating plan and a low amount of carbohydrates. Here are 10 fantastic keto vegetables, tasty and containing plenty of nutrients but very few carbs. We've attempted to rank them in order of popularity and usefulness in keto cooking. 1. Pumpkin. This orange-hued veggie is allowed on ketosis in moderate amounts. Don't put pumpkin in a fall-only category. Pumpkin puree is low in carbs and a good source of fiber. It's a great ingredient for keto-compliant desserts when you want something sweet and satisfying. There are 7 grams of net carbs per 1/2 cup serving. 2. Kale. This super green is one of the few vegetables that is a good source of protein, 3 grams per cup, and it's also low in carbs and high in other nutrients like vitamin A, C and K. You can use it for omelets, keto air fryer kale chips, salads, soups, and more. It has just 3.4 grams of net carbs per cup. 3. Spinach. Another super green, spinach is packed with vitamin A, C, calcium and iron. It's very low in carbs and makes for an amazing addition to any meal. It's a great veggie to always have on hand in the fridge for easy weeknight meals when you're pinched for time. A cup has a mere 2.5 grams of net carbs. 4. Bell peppers. Use these multicolored peppers in a variety of ways, like in stir-fries, eggs, and fajitas, or as a dipper for keto spreads. They're packed with vitamin C and potassium, which is great for active bodies. There are 5.9 net grams per 1/2 cup chopped. 5. Arugula. Don't underestimate this power green and just reserve it for garnish. This peppery green is a little different from kale and spinach, but like them, is low in carbs and high in nutrition. It's also a good source of folate, calcium, potassium and magnesium, which are great for your blood pressure. There are 0.4 grams of net carbs in a full cup. 6. Zucchini. This summer squash is a perfect substitute if you're wanting pasta but adhering to the keto diet. Spiralize it, and you may not even know the difference, especially if you have a flavor-packed dressing and some meatballs on top. It's filled with vitamin C, A, and calcium, plus it's low in carbs. There are just 3 grams of net carbs per 1 medium-sized zucchini. 7. Broccoli. With just 2 grams of net carbs per 1/2 cup, broccoli is a major superfood that should be a staple on the keto diet. It's high in fiber and protein to keep you full, and you can use it in just about anything: stews, soups, and keto makeovers of your favorite foods like casserole. 8. Cauliflower. Cauliflower has a similar nutrition profile to broccoli. It's also a great cruciferous veggie to choose when you're on keto, as it has 1.5 grams of net carbs per 1/2 cup. It's pretty bland in taste, but that's the beauty of it, as you can adapt it to whatever you are making with the right spices and sauces. 9. Celery. Take advantage of celery's high water content to prevent the dehydration that's often associated with keto. With just 1 gram of net carbs in a large stalk, it's a great addition for soups, or as a crudité for a dip, or with nut butter on top. 10. Cabbage. Cabbage is delicious when stuffed into keto fajitas, used in soups, or made into coleslaw with a rich, creamy high-fat dressing that's keto-friendly. It has 2 grams of net carbs per cup shredded, so you can eat a lot in one sitting without falling out of ketosis. What did you think to today's keto list? Please share your thoughts below. Thanks for watching today's video. Don't forget to subscribe for more daily videos.